2.
Okay. You want to play the gardens or the fairways?
Which one's the... Oh, wow. This is a complicated hole.
Did it do something? Oh, it went down there.
I needed to hit it harder to get up into that thing.
Is that what you needed to do? It's over there.
It's okay,
Seems
but I
okay.
can't make it in 2. Oh, you actually did a better shot. Oh, you just missed.
Did a hole in one.
Oh.
I was so close.
Wow. Almost the hole in one that you're looking for.
Good job. Look at that.
You want to tap it in? I'll allow it. Pretty good too.
You may have gotten it.
Nope.
Oh, you almost got it in 2. I almost got it in 1. I can't believe it.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
All right,
Yay!
I almost got the 2.
Almost.
Almost.
Good try there. Where are we off to next? Hole 2. The notes upon the staff you see may seem quite lovely musically. But now, as you begin to play, you'll see they may get in your way. Oh, the notes are going to get in your way.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Yeah, literally.
Well, you are in the lead, so you get to go first.
No, I don't want to.
Once they're done, of course. So, like, we're on this, what did you call this? The Gardens course? And then the other course over there does not have walls, and it's super frustrating. That's cool. So then it goes down. Alright, I'll go first, I guess.
Yeah, I think it's better if you go first. Where'd it go? Oh, it's coming. Oh, not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
It's still rolling.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Take. Oh, oh, I made it. Oh, yeah, not bad.
Oh, you went the correct way. Oh, hole in one. You win.
Yay!
So,
Yeah, hold on.
yay.
Oh, here, take my picture as I get it out.
Yay.
Yay.
Oh, you got it. Oh, you got a hole in one.
I demand a photo every time I do it. Ready?
I think so.
She's cute. This next one looks tricky. There's like a lot of different ways it could go. Good shot, good shot. I like it. Maybe. Oh, what? Hold on, hold on. Oh. Yeah, I feel like that should have been the one. That's another good 2 though. Nothing wrong with a really good 2. So this one you gotta get through there. Tricky. Wow, that's pretty good though. You have an easy 2.
I was trying to get through the snowflake.
Yeah, no, I mean you do have to hit it with a little bit of tape. I hit it too hard,
Oh, you hit mine.
Oh,
You just
what?
hit mine in there.
Oh, did I get it? No.
You gave me a hole in one.
Oh.
Does that count?
Yeah, that counts for no, that counts for you.
What? Well, it counts. That was your mistake.
No, that's right.
This one's in the shade, so I like that. Okay, Joe's gonna do this. Is that your hole in one again?
I don't think so.
It's still rolling. You might get it. You got it. Oh, another one.
Okay, so I had a hole in one.
No thanks.
And there's
Too much pressure.
too much pressure. It's a good putt. A little hard. Did it do it? Oh, there it is. 2 hole-in-ones. All right, go down there and get our balls. Here, you get your picture. All right. And for the record, there's mine.
There's a drinks machine here. It's pretty good. So it's come hot.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. This one's a straight shot. Oh, you did it? Oh, I couldn't tell. You almost got
It hit
it.
real hard off the back. I hit it a little
It was
hard.
close.
You hit it a little soft. Well, Porg's trying to help you. You're just not letting him help you.
Yeah, we'll probably pay for that.
Not bad. Oh. Boo. Oh, you got your music. You got your music playing. All right, take your photo. Yay.
Oh, too much pressure now. Although maybe it's coming back down. You got it.
That was good.
There's a good Tower of Terror view behind it.
Yeah, totally. There's Bacchus. You ready for Bacchus? Where's Porg? He hasn't been golfing very much. He keeps claiming to have the lowest score because he hasn't really golfed. I haven't seen him hit the ball yet. He claims to be in the lead. Well, we'll find out where it goes anyway. Yeah, but I think it goes down. Oh, that's not terrible. Those leaves might have helped too. So we both erupted on the last hole, so we've stopped keeping score. does love birds. What? Oh, I mean, that wasn't the wrong idea. I just needed a little more, maybe, I guess. Oops. Well, I did worse than you.
No, you didn't. Oh, you pushed me again.
Okay, Porg's shot.
Is Porg's doing it?
Yeah, it's Porg's turn. Oh, that's terrible.
Oh. Not bad though, you're still in the right direction.
It's not a good shot for Porg. He still did better than I did though, because he goes out his tail and all.
Nice.
Is this a straight shot here or what? Oh, missed
Oh, you missed me. But you got it.
Did I get it in?
No, you just got it to the other side. Or maybe you did.
Oh,
Oh, so close. This one has water.
You want first?
Oh, I thought you were.
Huh.
Oh, you're so close. I thought you had it.
One for the hard. Oh, one for the hard shot. Yeah, all right. I guess I'll go first. So these guys might spray you as you're hitting. After you hit, and then you have to walk under them.
A spell meant to assist him in filling the well in the armies of brims with a water supply ready to dose anything that goes by. That's crazy one.
All right.
Can you do it without getting wet? It's a big puddle.
Until I walk down.
Oh, they've been straight. Yeah.
I don't hit it as hard as that. I ended up on the backside.
It's not bad though.
They're shooting water at us. Here's Nurse's shot. A lot of distractions.
Oh, up on that one?
Oh yeah, you're good. You didn't get a hole in one or anything, but you're good. All right, here we go. You first. Hurry up.
I got pretty close.
Yeah. Boy, that's a tough one to get on the other side of it. That's good. That's good. You made it up.
Not bad, right?
No, but you're supposed to get it on the other side.
Yeah. I see. I don't even know where mine went. Oh,
It's
there's.
right here.
Yeah.
I didn't even have
Did you
a shot
push it?
here.
Yeah. The wave has grown bigger with magic it stirs. When up from the bottom a whirlpool occurs, putt to the left,
This
we'll
one's
spin
great
it.
when you make it.
And then we hope you'll return again.
Good shot. Here, hon, kill my club.
Yay.
Ah!
I found them in the bushes when I was looking for yours.
Yeah.
Thought you see this going in? It's gonna go down that.
Oh,
Oh
what?
no!
I didn't even think it was possible to get less than a 1 on this hole.
Just push it in, I guess, or.
How's that? So I got a 2?
I guess so. Ah!
I
Yeah,
got a 2 on the hole in 1 hole?
I guess. Sorry, there.
Oh. And there we go. Porg's so done. He didn't actually enjoy it. Mixed reviews from Porg. Said it was too hot, too crowded, and he had a bad day of golf,
You come earlier, I guess?
I suppose.